Hi, my name is Rodney Brown. I'm a Director of Operations for Jiffy Lube of Indiana. Today we'd like to tell you about a simple tire test that you can do in the convenience of your own garage. It's called the penny test. So first of all, let me introduce you a little bit about new tires. In the United States, new tires are typically equipped with anywhere from 10-30 seconds to 11-30 seconds of tread depth. Tires are measured in tread depth in 30 seconds of an inch here in the United States. So what we're doing when we're looking for tire tread depth is making sure that you have good tire tread depth on your vehicle. The tire tread depth is very important for the safety and for the traction of the tire. The traction of the tire adheres to the road, and obviously in adverse weather conditions, having good traction is very important. So we're going to start off by looking at a good tire. This is a fairly new tire on a vehicle. So we're going to take a simple Lincoln penny and we're going to turn it, making sure that Mr. Lincoln's head is upside down. And then we're going to stick it in a couple of different rib grooves of the tire. And what we're keying on or looking for is making sure that we do not see the top of Mr. Lincoln's head. As you can see, when we bury it into the groove depths, that the top of his head is completely covered. So that would tell me that this tire has very good tread depth left on it. And when you do this test, you want to make sure that you test both the outer, the inner, and the central groove. Test the different groove patterns. Just don't stick it in one groove pattern and be complacent or be content with that. No matter if you have good indicator on different multiple grooves, take the most shallowest groove, and that would recommend to me and most professionals that you should really seek maybe installing some new tires on that vehicle. So as we can see here again, Mr. Lincoln's head's upside down and completely hidden. So we have good traction, good tread wear indicators on this tire right here. So the opposite of that is going to be this tire right here. And this is a tire that we've taken off a vehicle not long ago. And we're going to show you the big difference. So again, Mr. Lincoln's head upside down, and we're going to insert it into multiple grooves of the tire. And as you can see here, especially this groove, this portion, the top of his head is very visible, almost to the top of the penny itself. And then other multiple grooves is also showing you the same indicator. So again, this is a simple test to show you the tread wear on your tires. And one of the most important indicators of making sure that you keep your tires in good condition or having them rotated on a regular basis. That really helps prevent the premature wear of the tread patterns of the vehicle or of the tires itself. So again, simple penny trick, doesn't take a few minutes, kind of gives you a rough idea of where you're at. I will tell you that when you use an actual tire tread depth gauge, anything from 3/30 seconds down indicates that you really do need to seek some new tires for your vehicle or seek a professional opinion. So again, thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.